Center minus 30, k 4/3. This is a size transformation. So we've got this triangle down here, KLM. And we're going to size transform it about this center. This is minus 30. And we're going to, like a photocopier, we're going to expand it to be 4/3, which is more than 1, right? So it's going to be bigger than it was before. It's going to be a little bigger than it was before. It's basically going to be expanded like that. The new one's going to look something like that. We'll see it. We're going to expand through the old points to find new points. So we're like a photocopier here, expanding, size transformation it's called. About this center, 4/3 is our factor. Okay, so how do we go about all this? So first off, you start with your center. Let me make this a little bigger, minus 30. So let's find that. That would be right there. There's our center. And then our size transformation is 4/3. So let's connect. We're going to start with K. So let's find the coordinates of K first off. So to get to K, let's go sideways first. We go 1, 2, 3. 3 sideways, and 1, 2. Let me draw a little bit better than that, huh? Oops. All right, so let's try that again. So we go 3 sideways and 6 down, don't we? 3 sideways and 6 down to get from our center, minus 30, to K. 3 sideways and 6 down. Well, we need to take each of those numbers and multiply by 4/3, because that's our size transformation. So times 4/3. Just use your calculator. You could actually just put this over 1. These 3's will cancel. It'll just be 4. And same thing with this 6. Let me move it over a little bit. We're going to go times 4/3. And actually, let me come down. Well, this is over 1, so it's going to be 24 over 3. It's 8. So that means before we went 3 left and 6 down, now we're going to go 4 left and 8 down, because we multiplied those numbers, the 3 and the 6, both by 4/3, making them bigger. So let's do that. Let's go 4 left and 8 down. These are my keys, 4 left and 8 down. So let's do it. So from the same center right here, 1, 2, 3, 4 left, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 down. There it is, 4 left and 8 down. That's going to be the new point K prime. You see how we found that? So we started with the old movement of 3 and 6 from the center to the original K, left 3, down 6, multiplied both of those by 4/3, got the answers 4 and 8, so that expanded both of them. So then we went on the blue line, left 4 and down 8 to find the new K prime. Now what is K prime's coordinates? This point right here. Looks like he's back 7, down 8. Back 7, down 8. Back 7, down 8. That looks like that's the coordinates of the new point K, K prime we call it. All right, so now that's K. Now I'm going to erase that, and I'm going to do the other two. So next comes L. So I'm going to go again from the center, which is minus 30, to L, which is straight down. So that is just straight down 3, isn't it? So then we take that straight down 3 and we multiply by 4/3, because that's our scale factor. We're multiplying everything by 4/3. We're making this small triangle expand to become 4/3 as big as it was before. So let's carry that out. You put this over 1. These 3's cross cancel, and you just get 4. So that means now, instead of going down 3, it's going to go down 1, 2, 3, 4, right to there. And that's going to be the new point L prime. It goes down 4 instead of down 3. Why? Because we multiplied it right here by 4/3 and got the answer 4. So there's the new point L prime. What are his coordinates? It looks like he's back 3, down 4, isn't he? L prime, back 3, down 4. Let's do that. Back 3, whoops, try to do it a little better. So back 3, down 4. And then finally, let's go find the new point M. So we'll erase what we've done here. So now for M. So again, starting from our center of minus 3, 0 to M. How do we get there? Let's go sideways first. So I'm going to go sideways 1, 2, 3, and down 1, 2, 3. So it's 3 this way and 3 down. But now we're going to multiply both those by 4/3 because that's our scale factor. So let's carry this out. So multiply both those by 4/3. Put this over 1, cross cancels, equals 4. Same thing, over 1, cross cancels, equals 4. So what does that mean? Well, that means now instead of going left 3 and down 3, we're going to go from the same center, minus 3, 0, we're going to go left 4 and down 4. And there will be the new M prime. See how we did that? So before it was left 3, down 3 to go from the starting point to M. But then we had to multiply by the scale factor, and that made it 4. Same thing here, made it 4. So instead, we now went left 4 and down 4 to find the new M prime. What's his coordinates? This point M prime looks like he's at back 7, down 4. Back 7, down 4 for the new M. Back 7, down 4 for the new point M. So let's out of interest sake, let's erase what we got here and connect all these up so we can see the whole new triangle. Let's put them all. We'll put all the new points on there. So starting with the new point K, minus 7, minus 8. So that was right here, right? Minus 7, minus 8. There's the new point K. And minus 3, minus 4 for the new L. Right there. And minus 7, minus 4. There. So there they are. Let's connect those up. There's our new triangle. There it is. So the new triangle, and you see how it expanded from this center. That was our center. And you can see the lines of expansion. We really expanded it right through the old points. See how it expanded it right from the old points to the new points. The new blue triangle's bigger, 4/3, which is 1 1/3. Bigger, it's a third bigger than the old triangle. So there we go. There's how you do a size transformation.